Great social reformer Padma Bhushan Karmavir Dr. Bhaurao Patil alias Anna founded Rayat Shikshan Sanstha in 1919. His mission was to transform society by educating masses. He was ably supported in his work by his wife Sau Lakshmibai Patil. Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Mahavidyalay is located at Malkapur in the hilly region of Shahuwadi Tehsil. It is situated on the banks of river Kadwi. The region receives heavy rainfall during southwest monsoon. Realizing the educational needs of the region, Professor Dr. N.D. Patil, then chairman of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, took initiative in establishing a center of higher education in this region. He received strong support and cooperation of local leader late Raubaba Patil and other people. Community land of Perid village was donated to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha for the purpose. Then began the journey of higher education of this region through Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's legacy and efforts. Today, the college has evolved into a center for holistic development of youths of Shahuwadi Tehsil and nearby areas of Sangli district. An economist, social activist, and leader of peasants and workers, Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Saheb, who happens to be the founding father of this college, has been the driving force of this college ever since its establishment in 1992. The administration of the college is led by Principal Dr. Sunil Hedkar. The college has undergone remarkable transformation under his accomplished and dynamic leadership. He has led the college from the front in every activity. Founding father of our mother institute, Karmavir Anna, is remembered by the college on his birth anniversary with procession, competitions, and talks of eminent personalities. Necessary ICT facilities are provided by the college for effective teaching learning process. This has helped our students to understand subject concepts to a better extent. Our teachers make use of advanced teaching resources on regular basis. PowerPoint is used for teaching concepts and ideas. YouTube is used to upload our own created videos for benefit of students. Google Classroom, Zoom, and Google Meet is also employed. Noted social activist Mrs. Rani Bang visited our college and infused energy in students. Competitive Examinations Guidance Center organizes guest lectures periodically to teach our students effective study techniques. Interactions with successful candidates are also organized to inspire them. Activities like Chemistry Club are implemented by many departments in order to give students an experience of corporate life. Number of seminars, conferences, and workshops are organized by the college. This gives our faculty an opportunity to interact with experts and researchers in their subject area. Our principal, Dr. Sunil Hedkar, has taken keen interest and relentless efforts to develop college infrastructure. He has led all the development activities from the front. There are spacious science laboratories in the college. Laboratories are enriched with botanical and zoological specimens, chemicals, instruments, and glasswares. Library of the college is fully automated and has nearly 17,000 books. OPAC, reprography, question bank, and book bank are some of the facilities in the library. Periodical journals and newspapers are available for teachers as well as students. The college has a well-maintained botanical garden with some endemic plant species. Separate reading rooms for boys and girls are also created in the college. The college has a gymnasium with necessary equipments for workout. It is used by both boys and girls. The canteen in the college campus provides freshly prepared snacks and beverages. A number of short-term courses are run by the college. These courses are meant to impart self-employment skills among students. Courses in beauty parlor, tailoring, bags making, and preparation of household chemicals are well received by the students. There are some subject-related short-term courses as well in the college. NCC unit of 52 cadets is sanctioned to our college in 2019. This year, the NCC unit has become full-fledged with all the 52 seats recruited. NCC cadets are well trained by CTO and ANO of the college. The cadets have demonstrated their skills and discipline on a number of occasions. It's a matter of pride for us that our girls cadets are also undergoing training with same vigor and rigor as that of boys. Expert lectures about career opportunities in armed forces are organized by the college for NCC cadets and other students. Students and cadets are immensely benefited by the guidance provided by the experts. The college organizes blood donation camp every year to fulfill its social responsibility. NCC volunteers and NCC cadets are at the forefront in blood donation. Farmers' gatherings are organized by the college in order to create awareness among cultivators about emerging trends in farming. This acts as a platform for farmers and experts to interact and discuss various issues. Paddy is one of the major crops of this locality. Therefore, paddy cultivators gathering is specially organized in association with Agriculture Department. Experts are invited to address farmers' issues. Department of History undertakes tours to nearby forts of historical significance. Faculty of the department creates awareness among students and tourists about need and measures for conservation of forts. The college organizes interclass sports competitions every year. College ground is developed for the purpose of practice and competitions. Girls and boys participate in their respective events with all the zeal and enthusiasm. These sport events help to cultivate sportsmanship among students. In the last edition of the event, BSc Part 3 students won General Championship. Geet Gandhali, a program of melodious tribute to Karmavir Dr. Bhaurao Patil, was organized on his birth anniversary. Songs written in the praise of Karmavir Anna inspired our students. Our students participate in Youth Festival, a cultural competition organized by Shivaji University. Cultural programs are also organized by the college to give students a platform to showcase their talent. The college organizes traditional day every year on Makar Sankranti. Girls and boys wear traditional attire displaying local culture. Students' participation in traditional day is very enthusiastic. Campus interview was organized by SPCL Infotech Private Limited Pune for BSc and BCom students. 26 students received offer letters in this program. Students' experience of campus interview was nothing short of ecstasy. Orientation lecture was delivered by Professor Sanjay Shah of SPCL. Participating students were highly benefited from his words of wisdom. Students developed confidence and courage to speak from the dais. One of the youth icons of Maharashtra and member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Mr. Rohit Pawar, was invited as the chief guest at the annual prize distribution ceremony. Students and local community attended the program in large number. Our students as well as teachers have received commendable success in last few years. Our achievements are in the areas of academics, sports, research and social service. Large number of research publications, books and one Australian patent are among them. Through the agency and leadership of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Mahavidyalaya assures all its stakeholders of augmented efforts to achieve excellence in all spheres of its activity.